Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, I did wait for the close and I wanted to see what was going to happen before I made this video, so it is a little delayed. Sorry guys, I know it is 9:45. It's a little later, but it's Sunday, um, and I was watching football and I was doing things with the family, so I'm sorry about the delayed video, but. Tonight, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and Solana, and what is going on with these charts, guys. Well, we did close a daily above our 200-day moving average and above our 50-day moving average, which would have been nice if we would have held up our pattern here, which I'm going to show you on the 4-hour. If we would have held this up, because we talked about this little pattern breaking out. Well, we got the breakout. We actually hit our target area. We got a close here, but then we fell back into the pattern, which I told you guys, if that happened, that would be bearish. We did get that look. It does look like maybe, let's go to the hour chart and see what we can see here. Yeah, I mean, this is just nasty. We couldn't get anything closing above here. We got some wicks, but we couldn't get a 4-hour candle closing above our last trend line to get the bump and run. We did get rejected. So do we see more downside? No, I think as long as we could stay um, above, I don't want to see a 4-hour candle closing under 44,700 area. If we see that close and open rejection, then yes, I would look for further downside into our purple box, maybe looking into the 42,500 area on Bitcoin. So I think that's it for Bitcoin. What we want to see is we want to see this turn around. If you want to be bullish on this, get a bounce here and then actually break this bump and run trend that we have going on. So we want to see something like this happen, okay? And we definitely want to see us break this area here. Wait, what just happened? My line didn't. Okay, right there. Okay, so we definitely want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 46,500 area on Bitcoin. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. So let's see if we do get this bounce. Ethereum, we had our trend right here on our 4-hour. We broke it with a nice little W pattern. If you guys took this trade, congratulations. We talk about this W pattern right here. We broke the W. We came up out of here. We did hit my top side target, almost to the dollar, guys. And then we came up. We got rejected. Okay. So now let's see if this trend right here that I drew up holds as support. If we get a 4-hour candle closing underneath here and a rejection, if we don't get back up in here, yeah, then I'd look for more downside, possibly anywhere in right around 3150 area. I would look for maybe a potential bounce around that area. And if that doesn't happen, then I'll look for lower, possibly 30.50 to 29.50 for Ethereum. Okay, guys. Matic, what do we got? It's on the 4-hour chart. We do have an M pattern that I was talking about. If this trend didn't hold, you can see how I drew it. Let's see if this would be the target on this. Let's look. So we got from here. I don't know why my lock, it's like I click it like 5 times before it works. Let me take off this lock. Okay, so about from here. If this does play out, it's not confirmed yet, but it's guys, while I'm doing the video, I'm gonna try and get this out as quick as possible to you guys. But it does look like it might play out. And yes, we could see a target around 119, 118 area. That would be the target for the coming down from this M pattern. Maybe look for a bounce in that area. But it does look like it's playing out. And if you want to be bullish, we want to see a bounce. Pretty much off the $1.27 or $1.26, and maybe get back above into our trend again. Okay, that's what we want to see. If it's bullish, if we get rejected, come back down, then I would look for more downside. But let's see if this M pattern, if we do get a candle closing under here, or we go a little lower, this M pattern could break right around Now I can put on the lock, right? Okay, come on. Right around this area here, which is 28.75. That's what I would look for. If that does close down, then yeah, I would look for this M pattern to play out and look for further downside. Cardano, you can see the M pattern here that we hit on the 4 hour. I mean, guys, pretty clear. We go here. We hit my target. Boom. Came down. Came up. Double topped it. Broke it here. And down it went. Okay. So, yeah, we did get a nice bounce off my line. It looks like at 244. So let's see if that holds. If not, yes, we would be looking for this purple box, 239 to 231 area. But let's see if there's a bounce right here, and we get this bounce right here, and it goes up from the upside. Okay. We did get rejected. We could not so far get that 4 hour candle close above this trend. That's what I've been waiting for. That's what I've been telling you guys I've been waiting for. And then we could see more continuation to the upside. But right now we just keep getting wicks and no solid closures. Okay. So just keep that in mind. That's what you want to look for to be bullish and look for a possible bounce area. And of course, if this area doesn't hold up, then yes, 220 would be definitely on deck. Okay. And then the next level, of course, would be $2. All right. So we don't want to see that area. If you're bullish, anyways. If you're bearish, this is great. But if you're bullish, you don't want to see that area. Solana. For some reason, guys, my chart did not save here. So I'm going to draw this up again. This is on the 4 hour short-term basis here. We can look at the daily too as well. But yeah, you can see our trend here. And we do talk about trend being our friend. And let's see where we can get the most touches here. Right about here, right? Let's zoom in, make sure. 1, 2, let's pull, well, yeah, that's pretty close, isn't it? Yeah, that's pretty close. I mean, we could move it up just a little bit, right about here. Yep, right about there. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so you can see we did break down out of our trend. I did have a box. What chart was that, guys? I did have a box in one of my charts where I had 170. I believe. Let me see if I can find it, guys. Hold on. Oh wait, actually, I'm on my other monitor right now, so you guys I don't think can see this right now. But let me see if I can find it here. I'll drag it down. Just see. Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. I thought I had it. Oh yeah, look, here we go. Yeah, so I'll drag this down and show you guys. Let's see here. Come on, dragging it. Boom. Okay, so we actually did hit some of my targets here. We actually hit this trade to the dollar, bounced to the upside, and then came back down here and actually got the bounce right off my 160 area. So that is positive. So let's see if this bounces back up. But like I said, we did break this trend, and if we do draw something like this up, I don't know why I'm having trouble trading you tonight, guys. All right. So if we do bring this up, that's 4 hour, maybe bump and run. Maybe we get something like this at the bottom here. If this holds, why is nothing working? Okay, let's see if that area holds up. And then we get a bump and run and retest this area. If we get rejected and come back down, then that would be bearish. So if we get rejected here, come back down, we got to hope for a bounce and then go. Or if we come up and we come out of here and then we get rejected on the bigger trend, then we can look for more downside. Of course, if we break this trend, guys, we come out of here and we break this trend, then I would look for more upside. Okay? So if we break this bigger trend, all right? So that's what I'm looking at for Solana. We did hit some pivotal points. Guys, if this thing does break down, I would be looking for actually about 150 would be my first area of concern. Why I'm clicking on it, guys? It's just not. It's fighting me tonight. So 150 area. Let's see. Let's pull that down just a little bit. Right about there. Pretty much 150, 151 area. I would be looking for that area. And if that doesn't hold, then yeah, I'm looking for 143 to 135 area. Okay. And that's on Solana. So right now, it does seem like we are getting a couple bounces here. Let's see if this holds up. On the daily on Bitcoin, we did talk about this golden cross, and we did have the close up there, but it just it folded. It folded once we fell back into this pattern. It got ugly, okay, because that was a bearish sign, and we talked about that. If that happens, that's usually a bearish sign. It's going down. Okay, so that's why I gave you that warning in yesterday's video, guys. Hopefully, you guys took that warning seriously. Bitcoin, and it brought everything else down so far. Ethereum, we are holding up on this trend. We are getting the bounce right here. So you can see the wick where it gets wicking and it's bouncing back on this 4 hour here. So let's see if that holds. Matic, we are getting the bounce right off the number I just did in the beginning of this video off of $1.28. So let's see if that holds up, and maybe this thing can flip into a W and actually turn bullish on us, and then we get above this area right here, which would be, I don't know why this is working. Okay, come on. All right, if we get above that 137, 138 area, yeah, then we could flip this thing and turn it around and go the other way with it. Okay, and then our target would be up in this area around 145. All right. So let's see if that happens. Let's see if this holds. Let's see if um, we don't keep falling farther down in Bitcoin. Let's see if this trend holds on Ethereum, Matic. Let's see if the M pattern happens or the W. Um, let's see if this holds for Cardano at $2.44. Solana. Let's see if that holds at $1.61. Then we would look for lower levels like we talked about here on this chart. And I think that's it, guys. Listen, I am going to put a link in Webull in the description. You get 3 free stocks if you sign up. And what we're trying to do is I'm trying to get people to sign up so they can get free SHIB. So you can wait a couple days, let all your money clear, let the stocks clear. I think it's 3 to 4 business days or even 2 business days. Sometimes they do it quicker. But then you can actually just sell your free shares and get some free SHIB. And you can get 1,000,000 SHIB for $10. So usually you get more than $10 worth of free shares. So you'll have over 1,000,000 SHIB actually. I think it's like right now the price is at 12 to 13. Or it's about 1.3 million around that area. So guys, it's free. It won't cost you anything. And if you share it this month, they're running promotion. Every time you share, you get 3 free stocks plus $5 in SHIB. Plus, if you share it to 3 people, you get another $150 that you could buy even more SHIB or do whatever you want with it for free and take your money back out. You get a free Apple share, which is worth about, I believe, about 145 now. So if you share it with 3 people, so I'll leave the link to Webull down there, guys, in the description. Make sure you take advantage of that because they are burning SHIB soon, and it is interesting, guys. If you look up SHIB and you look up what they're doing, it's pretty interesting. Okay, they do have SHIB swap. Alibaba's taking as payment. If they burn. I know what I'm hearing is if they burn 50%. Even if it takes till 2025 and it gets up to $1, you're $10, guys. You will be millionaires. Okay, so and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But you can take advantage of these free deals. Okay, so that's something I wanted to get out to you guys. Also, I'll link my Twitter in the description. You guys can follow me there as well. But yeah, I'll have my Webull link in the description. Let's get some free SHIBs. I want everybody to just become millionaires. Leave it in there. Hey, if you guys got to wait till 2025, I mean we're talking 3 years away, and you guys are millionaires. Are you gonna complain about that off of 10, 20, or whatever however much money you can get out of your own Webull as well? So check that out, guys. It's a great deal. We are getting, let's see, are we getting any kind of bounce yet? No. Well, Ethereum's still holding up. Guys, and Matic's still holding up. So let's see if this stuff still holds up. So far, everything we talked about on my video, it is holding up. So let's see if it does. If not, it breaks down, then yeah, let's just look for lower until we break these type of trends here. Like they always say, trend is your friend. I don't know why it keeps making me double click here, but you can see where we have this trend right about here. That we'd want to see break, get a 4-hour candle close above here, and then get a nice pop on Solana. That'll be nice. But listen, guys, much love to you guys. Have a great night, and I appreciate you guys subbing to my channel. Make sure you guys sub, hit all, because they do shadow ban me. So if you guys want to see all my videos, make sure you sub, hit the all, hit the bell, because if not, sometimes even if you search my video, you won't see it, guys. So listen, much love to you. I appreciate you guys watching, and you have a great night. And I will make a video tomorrow in the afternoon, and then I'll make one before close tomorrow. I will do that, and for the rest of the week as well. Unless if something does come up, I'll let you guys know in advance. I'll warn you that hey, I might not be able to make it the 12 or the afternoon video, but I can make the you know 7 o'clock video. So I'll let you guys know if there is something that pops up. But that's what I'm going to be trying to do here. Try to give you as many updates as I can to keep you guys safe in this market, because I want all of you guys to prosper, because I believe if that happens, good things will happen to me and my family. So I'm doing this just because I want you guys to do well, and to give to other people, and of course have wealth for yourself. So much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all, so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And peace out.